Hi guys, it's Devin. So if you remember right, we had about probably 10 to 12 bins full of rocks that we got from a friend of ours who owns the Pearson's Mill House, which was part of the Underground Railroad, and it was actually right about, I believe it's 3 miles down the road from the Bonnie and Clyde shootout. But historical place. Anyways, there was a bunch of rocks there and bins that his aunt, who made jewelry, had collected over the years from all over the world. And so we decided we'd take some of the box, and we got the box, started going through them, and realized it was just a lot. I mean, a lot of everything. And as you can see here, so we kind of sorted it a little bit, but it's still so much to even go through that we came up with the idea that since it's the holidays and lots of people like rocks, I'm a rockhound, so we figured maybe we should share that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all these rocks that you see here, and we have two different bags that we're gonna do. So we may make one bag like this, and this one's roughly 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, and we're gonna take rocks and we're gonna put them in these bags. And what we're doing is we've got these rocks here, which are all a bunch of polished rocks, and we haven't sorted through them. We haven't picked anything out. We just want to get rid of them and let people enjoy them. So we have absolutely no idea what's in here. I mean, it's a huge variety of everything, but these have all been polished by our friend's aunt, and this was probably in the 60s that this was done. They've been sitting for quite some time. But we have these ones, so we're going to throw some of those in there. And then we have these large polished rocks, and we're going to throw those in there. And then we have these even smaller polished rocks. And like I said, it's a huge mixture. You don't know what you're going to get. We don't know what you're going to get. There's just a glimpse of what's there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to take them and just throw them into these bags. You'll get a third of this, a third of this, and a third of that. So you'll get 1/3 of each type. And then we're going to make a bigger bag. So this bag right here is roughly 3.5 pounds. And the difference in this bag and that bag is that this bag is going to have more rocks, and we're going to throw in some extra cool things. So what we have is we have these rocks that will get thrown in, some of these, and you're guaranteed to get a geode or a piece of cactus rose or even a fossil. So for example, this one has nice geode in it, and it's got a fossil in there too, and it looks like a piece of petrified wood right there. So that's what you're gonna get. The big bags are gonna be 30 and the small bags are gonna be 20. So it's up to you which bag you want to go with. And we're also going to be doing bags of Aggies. This is kind of a mixture of Aggies and some other stuff, but mainly most of it's Aggie. And this is everything that you see here, guys, has been picked by our friend's aunt in roughly from the 40s to the 60s. So it's a huge mixture of everything. And then we have other rocks that we're going to lot out. So we're going to put those on our page too as well. This is all a lot of section stuff, a lot of slices, and honestly, don't know what's in here either. It's just kind of a mixture. You got some geodes, I see that. But we just threw anything that's sliced and sectioned or halved into this bin. And then we've got some other random stuff in these bins here. So I'll just go over them real quick so you can kind of see what's in them. We don't really know. I'm a rock hound, but I'm not a rock expert, so there's really a mixture of lots of different things. But we will be selling these boxes of rocks in lots. And then you got another bin over here. So, like I said, if you're interested in rocks and you want to give a good gift, we're going to be selling these bags, 30 for the big bag and 20 for the little bag, and it's about a pound difference between the two, pound to a pound and a half difference. I also wanted to kind of throw this in there because we found this while we were in one of the bins with the rocks. But it is a magazine, picture magazine, from the Des Moines Register, dated 1956, and it is about the women and not only the women but the men and women of rock polishing and rock hunting in Iowa. So I just thought this was really cool to find, with this, and it's dated 1956, so it kind of made it, easier to get an idea of how long these rocks have been in here. But just some incredible Iowa history to go along with the rocks, and if you're interested, let us know. Thank you.